শনিবাৰৰ পৰা বৰ্ষাপাৰাত ঐতিহাসিক টেষ্ট মেচ শৃংখলাৰ দ্বিতীয় টেষ্টত মুখামুখি হ'ব ভাৰত দক্ষিণ আফ্ৰিকা আৰু তাৰ পূৰ্বে দেৱজিৎ লঞ্চইকিয়াই বৰ্তমান সময়ত এখন সংবাদমেল সম্বোধন কৰিছে আমি পোনপটীয়াভাৱে লৈ গৈছো।
9 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, the first break after 2 hours, and instead of a lunch break, we will have a tea break for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes break at 11:20, the second session will start. It will be over at 1:20, and that will be the lunch session. So the lunch break will take place at 1:40 till 2 o'clock, and from 2 o'clock, the final session or the third session of each day will take place. So it is fixed from 2 o'clock to 4 p.m. So that is the schedule. On the first day, the match will start at 9 o'clock. So the functions will start around 8:30. Both the teams will assemble. Toss will take place. Then thereafter the national anthem, and there are few small events being organized, like exchange of toss, presenting the toss coin to the visiting captains, then signature of the official portrait of the stadium. These are being done as a part of hosting the first or inaugural test match in Guwahati. Otherwise, in normal test situations, these events are not part of the regular course of action, but as Guwahati is having the first test match, so these two events will be part of that presentation of the toss coin to the captains, as well as signing of the official portrait of ACA Stadium, Barsapara. It will be followed by ringing of the bells, and the match will start at 9 o'clock. So far as the crowd is concerned, the gates will be opened at 7 o'clock, 2 hours prior to the start of the match. And tomorrow a detailed press conference will be conducted by Assam Cricket Association for the benefit of the people who will be coming to the stadium. In that press conference, the detailed road linings, the parking places, the other requirements regarding what can be brought to the stadium, etc. All these details will be presented by Assam Cricket Association to the public through another press conference tomorrow. So basically, these are the things we have to inform you. Now, if you have anything from your side, you can put your question to us. So, apni Ohomiyat kudise mo Ohomiyat kare bahut national media ase. So regarding the bill, we have decided to have it from our traditional bale metal. Sarthebari is one place in the district of Borpeta. Our secretary is also from Borpeta. So we have the connection to the industry of bale metal. In Assamese we call it Kah. Kah is the word for the Assamese word for bale metal. So as a bale has to be installed in the stadium, because earlier this stadium was hosting only ODI matches as well as T20 matches, and there is no scope of having any bell ringing ceremony or bell ringing presentation. From 2007 onwards, when it was introduced, several test venues have started and installing these traditional bells. So Guwahati has got the opportunity to start the test match for the first time from 22nd of November. So we have to also follow the tradition started in 2007 in Lords and various other places. Even in the first days in Calcutta, they have a bell ringing ceremony. It was also followed in various places in New Zealand as well as in Australia. So we do not want to be different from the tradition of test cricket. So Assam Cricket Association have done it at a very short notice. So we get the bell, which is of 35 kgs of bell metal. It was given, the order was placed about 4 days ago. It is ready, it is on the way today, and it will be fixed this evening. And